So here's a 1976 Fender Twin Reverb. This is the head to the combo for the Twin. This is the Twin Reverb with a master volume, reverb, and vibrato. And the vibrato on this has stopped working. So I'm going to show you where you can find it. On the circuit board here, this is the back of the transformer. Here's the rectifier. I'm in the process of changing out all of the capacitors. There's a capacitor right here that I've replaced. These are also capacitors. I'll be replacing those shortly. A couple capacitors up here off some of the switches in the back. A couple in here I've replaced. And this is the hum adjustment. And this right here is the circuit board. It's all point to point. The rectifier. This is where the bias is adjusted. And on the front, here we got the vibrato. And if we look inside, under this beautiful mess of chaos, there is a little guy right here. And this is the vibrato switch, or the it's called the oscillator. So if your vibrato ever dies, this is usually the culprit. It's this thing right here. There's 4 points on it: 1, 2, 3, and 4. And that's the old one. And this is what the new one looks like. If you can see this right here, it's about $10. You can buy this. It's just a little piece right here. It has 4 leads coming from it. 2 are copper and then 2 are steel. And inside this, you're not going to be able to see, but maybe I'll pull it off from the other one. There's a little bulb inside there, and there's also a little photosensitive filament. So when the vibrato is turned on, this speed pot and the intensity pot regulate how much this little bulb in here blinks, and then the receiver on this end sends that signal for when the sound should be cutting in and cutting out. And that's it. It's about $10. It's pretty easy, and I'll be putting this in just a second. Alright, so we're going to get this out in just a second. I can't do it with both hands though, tied up.